I am Devi Visalakshi from CSC Department, Rohini College of Engineering Technology. Here we are going to discuss about that subject, computer architecture and organization. In this unit 5, we are going to discuss. So we can learn about how the input-output interfaces are communicated. So in this, it is used to communicate with the help of the CPU as well as the memory. So input output interface is used as a method which helps the transferring of information between the internal storage devices, memory, and the external peripheral devices. The external peripheral devices is that which provide input and output for the computer. It is also called input output devices. So in this picture we can see about CPU as well as memory is there. In between we are having many buses, that is a data bus, address bus as well as a control bus that will be used to transfer the data between the CPU as well as the memory, as well as the monitor, keyboard, and then hard disks are connected with the interface. After the interface only that will be communicated with the buses. So this is the way everything will be processed. So next we can see about how the input output interfaces are. In microcomputer based system, the only purpose of peripheral devices is to provide special communication links for the interfacing them with the CPU. To resolve the differences between peripheral devices and CPU, there is a special need for communication links. Functions of input-output interface. It is used to synchronize the operating speed of CPU with respect to input-output device. It selects the input-output device which operate for the interpretation of the input-output signal. It is capable of providing signals like control and timing signals. In this, data buffering can be possible through data bus. There are various error detectors. It converts serial data into parallel data and vice versa. It is also converts digital data into analog signal and vice versa. So this is the picture of the parallel as well as serial interface connection. So just we can see about an input output interface consists of circuits which connect an input output device to the computer bus. In this we are having the processor as well as the keyboard switches. So in between we are having the data bus, address bus as well as the control bus, everything will be there. And then this we are having the read and write, master ready, slave ready, everything is there. So data in as well as data out. So in then we have having the data in signals there. When the data is inside, everything will be accepted and then it will give the address by the processor. So with the help of the address, everything will be searched and the details will be given to the output. Parallel interface. Parallel interface used to send or receive data having group of bits simultaneously according to usage, hardware, and control signals requirements. Parallel interfaces are classified as input interface and output interface. Input interface. Commonly used input device is a keyboard. A typical keyboard consists of mechanical switches that are normally open. When key is pressed, corresponding signal alters and encoder circuit generates ASCII code for the corresponding key. Output interface. So this is the thing of the output interface. In this we are having the processor. From the processor, how it will be given to the printer. So in this we are having the data bus, address bus, read and write, master ready as well as the slave ready, data out. So with the help of the data out, everything will be given to the printer. Then it will be printed. Serial interface. A serial interface is used to transmit or receive data serially, one bit at a time. A key feature of an interface circuit for a serial port is that it is capable of communicating in a bit serial fashion on the device side and bit parallel fashion on the process side. A shift register is used to transform information between a parallel and serial formats. So this is the process of the serial interface. In this everything will be processed and then finally that will be given in a bit by bit output. Thank you.